Hey guys, so this is basically the first one-off video for the trip. I'm doing a video restoring this adorable little cooler. And now it's the day of departure. It's 3 a.m. and it's time to fill this up. Okay, so at this point, this scene is going to be used in the video. Oh, darn, it doesn't fit up right. Oh, well. Oh, these are real bad fit. Okay. Well, this went sideways. This is a really tiny cooler. I guess I need the regular Sunpacker. And I'll hold off on the wood filler. The plastic wood. I like how our refrigerator is kind of a amalgam of hardware store items and other stuff. So we have that, and then we have our sandwiches. Do we have any room for ice then? Okay, I guess the sandwiches stay out. And now we got ice. I've been making this ice for a little bit. These cubes. Go to Bendigo and get my cube. Should we put any of this ice into like a thermos cup thing? Yeah, we probably should.
Get my insulated.
Yeah, whatever those thingies are called. You want to take some?
Put some in here.
Okay, okay. Do you want some cookies as well? I can bring some cookies if you want.
Sure.
Okay. You know what? These would be good. Hey, Thais, aren't these just like Chinese takeout containers?
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
Fine China, as I like to call it.
Yeah, fine China.
We have plenty of those.
It's so funny how in the city, well, in the city economic zone, Chinese food is seen as cheap. Meanwhile, in the Midwest, it's like, oh wow, it's fancy. It's exotic. Okay. And that can be for a few days because I'm planning to treat Thais to some coffee. I'll put some more ice in there actually. Are we in need of any more ice for any cups?
I think we're
Okay. Now hopefully as we take drinks out, now I don't want you drinking too much, but as we take drinks out, we should be able to put other ones in. Oh, it's empty, I see. Oh, that scared me so much. Let's see, which one are ya? There we go. I just need to get a little box for these, and we'll be ready. I like this mechanism a lot, and I love that this is a flat top. Well, that clip got a little minced up, but I'm sure I can edit it and it'll be seamless in the video. But yeah, I figure hey, I can upload this before we leave on our high-speed internet, before we go and have to be living in the land of cellular internet. This is such a cute little thermos cooler. I kind of wish it was just 2 inches wider though, just a little bit bigger. Oh, by the way, this is a project I've been working on for about 2 months, and I'm going to be bringing back some rack-mounted equipment to put on that, let alone the rack-mounted equipment we happen to have here. Well, that's just a low-effort road trip video, unedited, but some clips of this will get used in the video of restoring that thermos cooler. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.